Hello everyone, welcome to the Shell Coding on ARM Linux 32-bit assembly course presented on YouTube. My name is Sandeep and I will be the course instructor for the entire upcoming videos in this playlist. So what this course actually provides? This course will actually let you understand the internals of ARM assembly to an intermediate level along with knowledge of shell coding. This course contains two modules. Module 1 is entirely focused on internals of ARM assembly. After completing Module 1, a person can have enough knowledge to understand what an ARM binary looks like, what are registers, what is the usage of stack, what are different modes in ARM architecture like the 32-bit mode or the 16-bit mode, and how to just shift the execution state from 32-bit mode to 16-bit mode, and much more complex stuffs will be cleared out in module 1. Upon moving to module 2, we will introduce you the concepts of shell codes, where entire knowledge gained from module 1 will be properly utilized in module 2 to create shell codes like the EXECEV shell codes, which is used to get a shell on a Linux system, reverse shell code, which is used to get a connection back from a remote host to our machine, and stuffs like that, like prevention techniques to bypass the antiviruses, and unique ways like XOR encoding and decoding stuffs to bypass to just obfuscate the created shell codes. So who should take this course? If you are interested in IoT exploitation, Android pen testing, automotive security, or in any field where ARM processors are being used, then you can utilize the knowledge gained from this course in your field, because ARM is going to be everywhere in this world. The phone you are using or tablet you are using to view this video on YouTube is powered by a 64-bit ARM processor. It doesn't depend whether it is an Android or iOS. It is getting powered by a 64-bit ARM processor. Also, the latest MacBook Mac M1 is also powered by a 64-bit custom-made ARM processor. This shows that desktop computers are also getting shifted to use ARM processor. All the IoT devices, whether it is 100 billion or 150 billion, which have ever existed in this world, are all powered by a 32-bit ARM processor, including smartwatches, smart TVs, vehicles, or anything related to smart things includes usage of ARM processor, whether it is a braking system of Tesla car and stuff like that. There are certain online resources which you can use as a reference to just benefit major from this entire course, and those are Azure Labs, from where you can just understand everything about ARM exploitation via blogs. It is free but read only, and the official ARM documentation, it is also free but read only. But still there is no entire structured video course on the entire internet providing the concepts, providing the knowledge on ARM assembly shell coding. So I have provided you that thing which was lacking on the entire internet. You can search on your own. If you find anything related to shell coding on ARM assembly, then you can just refer me. You can just tell me in the comment section if you find one. So the last thing and the major thing where you can utilize the knowledge gained from this course. So any field, anywhere in the binary exploitation field, including stack overflows or heap overflows, will require some assembly knowledge, will require some shell coding knowledge, which you can get from this course, or in any purposes of exploitation of any possible ARM devices vulnerable to overflow bugs. The scope is not limited. If you learn ARM assembly once, you can just have an infinite number of possibilities where you can utilize the knowledge on ARM architectures. So just overviewing the contents of the course, I will introduce the concepts of registers, stacks, program layouts, and a special video by which you can understand or learn how to execute ARM instructions on Intel processor if you have Intel processor, which majorly you have. So in a special video in module 1, you will get to know about setting up an environment by which you can execute ARM instructions on Intel processors or non-ARM processors. So stick with module 1 and you will get to know about that. Load store techniques, memory addressing techniques, and the special instructions which make ARM assembly unique are also introduced in module 1. Upon moving to module 2, we will get to know about some concepts, some analysis of the third-party shellcodes which are used by bad actors in ARM exploitation, so that you can get a real-life training of what actually exploitation looks like on ARM architectures. XOR encoder decoder, XOR dynamic encoder decoder, independent shellcodes concept will be introduced in module 2. Polymorphism techniques will also be introduced in module 2 to bypass the antivirus detections. And the main thing which makes this course super unique is this free course on YouTube includes exercises by which you can learn a lot by practicing of all the knowledge gained from both modules. All the slides of every video is provided in the description. You can download. Even this video's description is having slides represented in this video. And moving towards the end of the video, I have one humble request to all the viewers viewing this entire playlist. Please show some support to the content by sharing the content, liking and subscribing, and commenting in each and every video, so that SEO ranking may just make my videos to the top in the search results. This might help to those guys who want to learn about ARM assembly for free on internet, because there is no such content on the entire internet for free. You can search on your own. That's all for this video. Happy learning in this entire course, and thank you.